Hi folks, this was a WALTER Helitronic regrinder machine built in 1999 and in these days one of the best machines in the market. After 20 years in production, this machine was ready to retire. We got it and we took it in pieces and we gave it a complete mechanical rebuild from scratch. So we cleaned it, we painted it, we replaced all the rails, all the bearings, all the ball screws. We put new worm gears in and a new spindle. And everything with today's precision. We also did a couple upgrades on this machine. We changed the pneumatic coolant valves to electric coolant valves to keep oil and air separated. We also updated our touch probe, what has the new body, what we designed. And what we also add, and what is completely new on the WALTER machine, we add a second touch probe to probe the wheels in the process. On the other side of the machine, in the electric cabinet, everything is new. That machine has the new NUM Flexium control and NUM drives. It also has a personal computer what is fast like a rocket and runs Windows 10. The whole PLC system is based on EtherCAT and today's safety technology. So this machine is competitive to everything what you can buy new. And what software we are running on this machine, we're going to explain you in the next video. Hi folks, the grinding experts already realized that we are running NUMROTO on this machine. To do that, we redesigned the front panel. We gave it a nice 24-inch TFT display with touch, so you have a good view to the 3D simulation and to the machine movements. On the other end, we tried to keep the operator panel as close as possible to the original, so the operator feels home. All the functions are more or less the same, some are a little easier. And for an easy setup, we add a hand wheel panel, what you can take inside the machine to set up the tool and the wheels. Bottom line is, we took from everything the best and we designed something unique.